Combating corrosion. It's an increasingly complex challenge for fuel operators. The adoption of ultra-low sulfur diesel and biofuels, plus the strict fuel quality demands of modern-day vehicles, call for new tools to maintain underground storage tanks. Most fuel site owners know corrosion damages fuel quality and equipment, but the root cause is hard to pinpoint. Cumberland Farms, a large, regional convenience store brand based in the Northeast U.S., was also looking for a solution to tank corrosion, and they found it. What you're about to see are the real-world results from using Veeder-Root's HydrX fuel conditioning system at the bottom of their underground storage tanks, ground zero in the fight against corrosion. Cumberland Farms operates 600 stores across 8 states and lays claim to opening the very first convenience store in New England. Part of the way this brand earns its good name is by maintaining top fuel quality at all times. The operations team knows it needs to control in-tank corrosion before it creates costly system-wide problems, or worse, selling contaminated fuel to customers. When the team heard about Veeder-Root's HydrX system, they jumped at the opportunity to fix their water problems for good. Here we are on site preparing to install HydrX. First, the Veeder-Root team takes fuel samples from the bottom of the tank. As suspected, there are problems: corrosion spotted on components and evidence of water and microbial growth. Another critical step, taking site measurements to precisely determine which way the tank may be tilting, causing standing water to collect. Here's how it works. After an underground storage tank is installed, the earth shifts over time and tanks can become unlevel. When that happens, gravity pulls stagnant water to the lowest point in the tank where competitive systems can't reach. The HydrX water intake device, or WID, is designed and customized to find that lowest point, which is unique from tank to tank. Now, back to the Cumberland Farms site, where it's time to hunt down that standing water. After a routine tank cleaning, the HydrX system is ready to install and begin providing continuous water removal from the underground diesel storage tank. The tank at this particular site is tilting away from the STP sump, causing water to collect 22 feet away from the point of entry into the tank. The team sizes the WID to reach this lowest point, ensuring the stagnant water can be eliminated. Now we wait while HydrX goes to work. The wait isn't long, though. Within 24 hours, the HydrX system removes more than a half-gallon of water. Over the next 30 days, HydrX pulls over a gallon of water, and the difference is striking. After 90 days, the volume of water extracted nearly doubles, and fuel samples from the bottom of the tank are just as clean as the samples from the nozzle, indicating that proper fuel quality is restored. Take a look at the final data. After 120 days, water moisture continues the downward trend. Fuel pH levels remain safely out of the corrosive range, approaching neutral. The system is working so well, Cumberland Farms plans to install it during the construction of new sites to prevent water issues before they start. Corrosion isn't just a problem for Cumberland Farms, it's a problem for any fuel site with an underground storage tank. Where there's water, there's corrosion. Consider the last time you had your tank cleaned and fuel quality tested. If neither have been done recently, do you really know what's happening to your equipment and the product? Start combating corrosion now with the HydrX fuel conditioning system. Contact the Veeder-Root team to get started today.